Hello, web driven monsters. Welcome back to channel once again. Whispers and Vows. So today I am here for the special thing, the most trending topic right now in every monster stage. Yes, I'm talking about the Baby Monster solo stage performances on the ongoing world tour. Solo stage of every member. Like I need to check it out. I need to check it out the complete performance, each and every member's performances. So we are going to start with Ruka, obviously the eldest member first, and so let's start with Ruka's performance. Okay. Everybody put your hands up, boy. Put your hands up. Everybody put your hands up, boy. So the swag. Wow. Oh my god. So that was Ruka's solo stage. And that was awesome. Like the rap flow, the pace of the rap, the swag, the crazy dance steps. Like Ruka's body, Ruka's rap speaks hip hop swag. Like she has the most hip hop swag in the Baby Monster, and we know that she nailed it. Agree with me. If you don't want to be, then you should have to be. You have to be agree with me on this topic that she nailed that performance. That was awesome. Full of swag, attitude, stage presence, everything was top notch. Now we are going to move on the second performance of solo stage for Rita, obviously. So let's get into it and let's see Rita's solo stage. Like she never let us forget that she used to be a model. We know you were a model, Parita. You don't have to prove it again and again by your walk. Okay? You are indeed a model. In which economy we are living? Like, what is this economy? We are getting Parita's rap? Okay. my god. I am speechless. Like, Parita showed us rapping. She showed us vocals. She showed us high notes. She showed the charisma, the stage presence, the moves. Oh my god, I don't know in which economy we are living, but that was so cool to watch. That was so soothing for my eyes. Like, okay, girl, okay, calm down. You showed us the modeling walk. You showed us the rapping. You showed us the obviously the visuals, the high notes, the vocals, the rapping. Oh my god, that was crazy. That was so awesome. Like, I don't know how I'm going to choose the best performances out of the seven, but that was crazy. Okay. Okay, now let's move on to the third. The third performance is the one and only Asa. Okay, so let's get into it. What's she gonna do? Oh my god, those steps are so clean. That was Asa's performance, and it seriously gave me goosebumps. Okay, especially the dance part, the hand movements, everything was so clean, like so pretty. We all know that always Asa gave us anime girl vibes, and the dancing for me it's looking like a gaming character or an anime character properly. That was so pretty. And the rapping, we all know the flow of Isa's rap is on another level. That was so cool. I am just waiting to come all these performances in 4K so I can see the expressions as well. That was so pretty. The dance stuff has my heart. Okay, that's so I can't explain. That's so good. Now let's move on to the Ion's performance. Obviously, we have to check it out now. Ion's, then Rora's, and then Chiquita. I'm so down for it, guys. I'm so down for it. Ion dancing on this song. Oh, literally treat for my eyes. Wow.
저를 사랑해요. 들 준비됐어요?
Wow.
Now, so let's go!
So that was Ion solo stage. And seriously, it's iconic. Ion dancing on this song is seriously iconic. Do you hear me? Iconic. Like, I got one less problem without you. Wow. The stage presence, the charisma, the expressions, the high notes, plus the rapping also. The flow of the song was so fast, so that was so cool to see. I love this. Stress. Oh my god, stress. I don't know how I'm gonna choose my favorite performance out of all these. Like, seriously? Okay, okay. Now let's move on to the Rora's performance. Oh,
You took me back to Isabella. Oh, our heart is a Havana. There's something about his better. You were coming and how you win. When he came, you said that your life girl type you could win. But I didn't. You wait forever, you never came. That's on my mind. I was a sick man, now with him. You got me.
he's so beautiful. Oh my god. These moves. I am mesmerized by Rora's beauty and visuals. The dance steps were crazy. Her aura, Rora's aura. I'm speechless. Like, she's my bias. And seeing her like this, performing so confidently, solo on the concert, and the song which has a very bad experience with Rora. Like, we also the last evaluation process, right? And she forget the lyrics in that one, and she was crying, literally crying, and she performed the same song. Oh my god! And with this beautiful voice, the charisma, the stage presence, everything was so good. Okay, okay. I am mesmerized by Aurora. She's so beautiful. And the last high note, that was cherry on the top. The yellow dress, always that damn yellow dress. Like, steal the spotlight. And she did it. Finally. That was so good. I don't know people will gonna like it or not. That was so good for me. Okay, now let's move on the final performance, and then we will choose our favorite performance. Okay, so Isn't she underage? Wow.
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Just give me you, just give me you. Just give me you. That's all I wanna do. Anyone can say it's true. If it's true, I'll make it marry you. I'm the total lot of stuff. Guarantee we can make it up. I
Wow.
think I'ma call you bluff. Hurry up, and now front. See me in the spotlight, ooh, let me your style. Show me what you got, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, let me your show me what you got now. Work, give it to me, I'm baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.
Now, wow. That was Chiquita's solo stage. Honestly, that was like little more sexy vibes. Okay, like she's underage. Okay, guys, she nailed the performance. She did a very good job, but let her be a child for 2 more years. Okay, you YG, but she nailed it. There is no doubt about it that she always nailed with the stage presence, the expressions, the charisma. Everything was so good. So yes, now it's time to choose my favorite performance and choose. Okay, I will pick top three. Okay, number one is Rora and Ion because they both nailed the performance with the charisma, the stage presence, the expression. Everything was so good. Okay, so number one is Rora and Ion. Number two is the one and only Parita and Ruka. I love Ruka's performances, and I already talked too much, like enough for Parita's performances. Like she put charisma, rapping, everything in it. Like that was so good to watch. So number two is Parita and Ruka. Number three is I'm sad to say, but for me number three is Asa and Chiquita. Okay, so because Chiquita's performance was good, but I didn't get that vibe. Like her dance part was so good, but vocal part I little missed that. Maybe because these are not 4K quality and we are not saying on the front angle. That's why maybe. But I found Asa's and Chiquita's performance a little bit down from the rest of the members. They were great, but not that good that the other members were. So Rora, Parita, Ruka, Ion. These are my topics, and yes, Chiquita and Asa on number three. So I hope I don't get hate for this, but that's my point of view. You can share your point of view in comment section and please let me know which direction you want to see next. Okay, so I will meet you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be healthy. Bye bye.
You know you love me in this moment.